Hey everybody, Paul with Celtic Interior Shine here. Today we are going to try and restore these headlights that were donated to us to test out the Nasiol Headlight Restore Kit. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's get it open. Oh, geez. Packaged quite well. Looks like a little instruction manual. Here is the actual chemical compound. Nano ceramic coating, car headlight restorer. It's supposed to last up to 3 years from what I'm told. So let's see, what do they have in here? Applicator pads. Okay, so I'll put that over there. First things first, let's put on some gloves. Gloves actually come in the kit. It's pretty nice. They say this little bottle, it is, I believe, 10 milliliters. We'll do 3 to 4 sets of headlights on a sedan. They say it only takes about 2 milliliters per headlight. So there's the bottle there. This is the applicator to get it onto the applicator. And it actually looks like there are different sides to the applicator. So I don't know how well you can see that, but this side actually doesn't have as defined grooves as the other side. I don't know how well that's showing up on camera, but we'll see if that means anything. So they give you 2 sanding discs of each. 2 500s, 2 1000s, and 2 2000s. Now, their claim to fame, essentially, is there is no buffing. There's no polishing compound. Okay, everybody, just jump right in. Start restoring this headlight. 2 lines. That's all the fun you need, apparently. And just one direction. Just make sure to cover all the light. You don't buff it off. You don't wipe off any excess. Just let it go. Okay. You can see on the inside there's some moisture. We'll dry that out after it's all said and done. And we'll come back to for revealing pictures.